Hello, welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Thursday, May 21st, 2026. It's 10 minutes to 9 a.m. Mountain Time or 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We have Nasdaq down 0.6% on lower volume, and we have Dow near flat 0%. S&P is down slightly 0.3 on higher volume, so we can have a distribution day today if things continue to deteriorate from here. Let's look at the market here. So this morning, I think the big news was Nvidia. Let's take a quick look at Nvidia. So it did report earnings yesterday, 96% growth on earnings. However, the stock was up this morning, but it is turned negative. So it is at the moment testing the lows here, which is not a good sign. It's also below the 10-day right now, the green line. It's down 2% at this moment. So there's somewhat, this is kind of bringing the market down as well. So yeah, looks like this is not a good sign because we have a reversal unless we reverse again, but it's unlikely usually. But anyhow, we'll see. But that's not the good news we want to see here. So I don't know. The yield is been the problem, 4.62%. That's been causing issues. Oil is at $100. So this, some of the um, yeah, some of the things that affect the market lately. Let's keep going here. We have lots of earnings news here. Feel free to check it out. I didn't really look at them yet. We have housing data and also jobless claims, pretty much near expected, so nothing too crazy. Now let's go to QQQ right now. So yesterday we have a nice bounce off the green line, which is the 10-day moving average. Today we just kind of fall back a little bit, down 0.5%. We're near the 10-day once again, so it looks like we're testing it at this moment, or at least near it. Let's go to SPY. Very similar chart, also testing it, down 0.39% at this moment. Look at Dow. This one is looking better because it's only down 0.1% and it's near yesterday's high. So Dow seems to be all of a sudden changing, the tide here. As you can see, the relative strength line also been rising lately. So very interesting. And then we're looking at Russell here, IWM down only 0%. That like near 0%. That is also incredible because it's also near high. So perhaps Dow and Russell will pull the market back up today. We'll see. But that is good sign because they've been lagging and both Dow and Russell now seems to be leading at this moment. Looking at stocks on the move. Let me bring that up. We have NBN, Northeast Bank. Let's take a quick look at that one because I haven't looked at it this morning. So this one is bouncing right here off the 10 days. So there are some banks moving today. I just haven't looked at them yet, but this is looking pretty good because it's coming out of the 10-day moving average. So that looks pretty good. ARM, SITM. We'll look at the tech in a second here. SMTC, ALAB, VPG, SETG, LSCC, BFV, Willow. Let's go from here again. We have RLAAP, ANET, ALAB, Marble. So a lot of tech stocks, MU. Some machinery, FTI, Credo, Light, Lumentum, Teradyne, SITM, TS, lots of tech stock, STX. But this is a good sign. ASX, VRT, Avago, Broadcom, GLW. So a lot of your regular growth names are showing up here. Let's take a quick look at GLW. This is also bouncing off right now and breaking above the 10-day. That's also looking pretty good. I'm gonna go to my list here for a second because I've already gone through most of the tech stocks, but let's go through this list here because they're moving today. So despite Nasdaq being down because of Nvidia, here's ALAP look at this. It's already bounced because this morning it was kind of down a little bit. Now it's already green again. This continues to run. Surprisingly, all these big caps are running. A-Lab, ARM. Look at this one. Huge run here, 8%. So chips are definitely running once again. Next we have Credo. Look at this, bouncing off the 10-day. This is very sharp. That's a good setup right there. Dell. This one has pulled back slightly from this morning high. Keep continuing here. Lumentum. This one also bouncing off, finding support at this low here, and now we're above the 10-day again. SCC. This one continued to make new high. You can see it right there. That looks pretty good as well. A lot of tech stocks on the move this morning. Marvel Technology also making new high. Micron. This is also bouncing, making new recent high today. That looks pretty good as well. Let's keep going here. We already look at Nvidia. Oops. Let's look at MXL. This one just didn't make new high this morning. It kind of pulled back slightly, so slightly negative in that sense. Um, let's keep going here. CMO. All the data storage still continue to look good. This one also making new high, but has pulled back right now, down 1%. SMTC, Semtech. This one making new high this morning. It's pulled back a little bit so far. STX, the Seagate Technology. This is bouncing pretty nicely today, up 7% right now. TSM. This one is just not moving much. It's holding tight. Just, at least it's outperforming Nvidia at this moment. We'll take one more look at Nvidia. So this one was reversing. Now it's down a little bit more now, 2%. So it's below the 10 day. So again, not very good, but that is, not what the market is doing overall. The most chip stocks are up. But everyone's focusing on Nvidia, which is kind of interesting. So we'll see. Let's just quickly look at groups here. I haven't checked out all these other stock here that's moving: AAP, BALFP in the retail, RL, Musa, CLS Industrial. We have GLW. We're talking about that. VPG is doing well. Um, Oil and gas side machinery, FTI, EQNR, SEDG. Circle, MBN, we talked about GS, MS, and Velo. So there you go. Have a very good day. Again, market looks stronger behind the scene than the obvious right now because everyone's focusing on Nvidia. Thank you all for watching. Have a very good day. Bye now.